Hello everyone, I'm David O'Neill, the host of OC Real Estate Today. This show is sponsored by SeanStanfield.com, and today we're going to be talking about who benefits from an adjustable rate mortgage. Adjustable rate mortgages are not for everyone. Before the crash, many people took the risk just so they could get into a house more quickly, and that risk backfired dramatically. However, there are situations in which an adjustable rate mortgage can benefit homeowners and be a better option than a fixed rate mortgage. We'll be right back after this brief message to tell you more.
Attention homeowners, did you know that now is a great time to sell? Interest rates are at historic lows. There are few homes on the market, and right now there are more buyers than sellers. Homes are selling fast, sometimes with multiple offers. The Stanfield Group, the #1 real estate team in Orange County, wants to help you with your real estate needs. When you work with the Stanfield Group, you get more marketing, more exposure, and ultimately more buyers. Call the Stanfield Group, 714-421-3377, part of First Team Real Estate.
Welcome back everyone. We're going to be now answering the question, what is an adjustable rate mortgage? An adjustable rate mortgage starts out with a fixed interest rate. Depending on what kind of mortgage you get, the interest rate on an ARM can stay the same for 3, 5, or 7 years. After that, the interest rate will change to match current market rates. How often the rate changes and by how much depends on the term your lender sets forth in the contract. So what are the benefits of an ARM? The initial rate of an ARM is almost always lower than the interest rate of a fixed rate mortgage. Right now, many ARM interest rates are a full percentage point lower than the fixed rate. In the initial 3 to 7 years of the loan, you can save thousands of dollars because your monthly payments are cheaper. Because the initial payments are cheaper, many people who cannot qualify for a fixed rate are able to qualify for an adjustable rate mortgage. This can benefit if, in the future, their income increases and they can afford higher payments. However, this becomes a huge drawback if homeowners can no longer afford their mortgages at the end of the fixed rate period and then have to sell or go into foreclosure. So here are the drawbacks. Adjustable rate mortgages are riskier than fixed rate mortgages. There is no way of knowing what interest rates will be like in 3 to 7 years. You could purchase a home with an ARM and afford the first few years of payments, but when the interest rate is adjusted, it could mean a huge monthly mortgage payment that you can't afford. Although adjustable rate mortgages are risky, there are some situations in which they are beneficial to Orange County homeowners. If you plan on selling your Orange County home before the rate adjusts, then you'll save a lot of money in the short term with an ARM and get out of the deal before the risk sets in. Some people don't need 15 or 30 years to pay off their mortgage, but instead can do it in 5 to 7 years. Those people benefit greatly from the lower interest rate of an ARM. Orange County homeowners who know their income will increase dramatically within the next few years are willing to take the risk associated with an ARM. People just starting out in high-paying careers want lower house payments to match their current income, but know that in a few years they'll be able to afford the higher mortgage payments. Sometimes people need to pay off their debts before they can start making a significant dent in their Orange County house payment. They take those first few years to pay off student loans, car loans, etc. When the rates and their mortgage payment goes up, they're able to afford it because their debts are paid off. If you found this helpful, please subscribe to be notified of our next show. If you need more advice on adjustable rate mortgages or purchasing an Orange County home, call the Stanfield Group at 714-421-3377.
Attention homeowners, did you know that now is a great time to sell? Interest rates are at historic lows. There are few homes on the market, and right now there are more buyers than sellers. Homes are selling fast, sometimes with multiple offers. The Stanfield Group, the #1 real estate team in Orange County, wants to help you with your real estate needs. When you work with the Stanfield Group, you get more marketing, more exposure, and ultimately more buyers. Call the Stanfield Group, 714-421-3377, part of First Team Real Estate.